Hello everyone, and welcome to Great Garden. If you're looking at your orchid and notice its leaves turning soft, yellow, or even starting to rot, don't rush to throw it away just yet. These are simply signs that your plant is weakened, but it can still be saved with the right care. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to revive orchids with leaf rot, from cleaning and treating the affected leaves to caring for the roots and adding natural nutrients that help your plant recover vigorously. After just a short time, you'll see new firm, glossy leaves, strong white roots, and a plant full of life, ready to produce healthy, long-lasting flower spikes. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our orchid care tips. Let's get started. As you can see in my hands is an orchid with rotting leaves, looking wilted and almost lifeless. The first thing I'll do is remove the leaves that are rotted, yellowed, or withered to help the plant focus its nutrients on healthy roots, buds, and leaves. This also helps prevent the spread of fungal diseases and creates a more airy environment for the plant to grow better. You should cut very carefully to avoid damaging the remaining leaves and roots. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. I accidentally cut a little leaf myself, but it's okay. The plant can still fully recover if properly cared for afterward. Next, I soak the plant in clean water for about 15 minutes to soften the growing medium. This makes it easier and safer to separate the roots from the medium. After 15 minutes, when the medium is moistened, I use scissors to remove the plant from the plastic pot. Cutting the plastic pot helps take out the orchid easily, protects the roots, removes the old medium, and prepares the plant to adapt to the new pot. Next, I gently remove the layer of moss or old medium around the base. Moss is a very popular growing medium in orchid nurseries because of its excellent water retention. However, when bringing the plant home, if you water too much, the moss can hold excessive moisture, preventing the roots from breathing properly. If this condition persists, it can easily lead to root rot or stem rot, weakening the plant or even causing it to die. This is a common reason why many beginners fail when growing orchids. Removing the old growing medium helps free the roots from compression, allowing them to breathe properly and grow vigorously. Additionally, this process stimulates the growth of new roots, increasing the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. By replacing it with a clean, nutrient-rich medium, you create an ideal environment for the plant to recover quickly and stay healthy, while also preparing it well for the upcoming flowering seasons. After removing the growing medium, I use a pair of scissors to start trimming the dry and rotting roots. Trimming the damaged roots helps completely remove hidden pathogens while preserving the healthy, plump, white roots that still have growth potential. This allows the orchid to absorb water and nutrients more easily, reduces the risk of disease spreading, and creates favorable conditions for new roots to grow vigorously, helping the plant recover quickly and develop sustainably. Next, rinse the plant with clean water. This step helps completely remove dirt, salt residues, and any remaining pathogens from the roots, leaves, and base of the plant. At the same time, rinsing keeps the roots airy, reduces the risk of fungal and bacterial infections, and creates a favorable environment for new roots to grow successfully. This is also an important step for the plant to acclimate to its new environment before being replanted into fresh medium. Remember to give it one more rinse with clean water. This helps wash away any remaining dirt and pathogens, ensuring the roots are clean and safe, ready to absorb nutrients from the new growing medium. Once the plant is completely rinsed, I place it in a dry spot for about an hour to let it air dry naturally. This step helps the cut areas on the roots seal, reduces the risk of fungal infections, and prepares the plant for replanting into fresh medium. While waiting, I prepare an organic fertilizer to help the plant recover. The first ingredient I use is garden lime. I add 1 spoonful of garden lime into a cup. Then, dissolve it in 2 liters of clean, room temperature water. Next, I stir the solution thoroughly. Stirring helps the lime fully dissolve in the water and evenly distributes the calcium ions, ensuring it works effectively when used. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Once the lime solution settles, take only the clear water on top and discard the sediment at the bottom. And that's it. The solution is ready to use. Let's apply it to your orchid right away. First, I prepare a plastic pot and pour the clear lime solution into it. Next, gently immerse the plant in the solution and soak it for about 30 minutes, making sure the roots and base are evenly exposed to the nutrients for effective absorption. While soaking the plant, I take a soft cloth or clean cotton, dip it in the lime solution, and gently wipe both sides of each leaf. Wiping the leaves with garden lime removes dirt and residues from the surface, reducing bacteria, mold, and pests. Garden lime also provides calcium and natural minerals, and wiping both sides of the leaves with the solution stimulates the plant's metabolic processes. Therefore, it's recommended to do this 1 to 2 times a week to keep the leaves clean, optimize nutrient absorption, and avoid waterlogging or damage. Next, place the pine bark medium into the lime solution and soak it for about 15 minutes. Soaking the pine bark in lime not only disinfects it, eliminating mold, bacteria, and any leftover pests from storage, but also helps neutralize the natural organic acids in the bark, which could otherwise affect root growth. This is a small step, but with a big impact, helping reduce the risk of root rot and creating optimal conditions for the plant to grow healthy and stable right from the start. After soaking for about 15 minutes, gently remove all the pine bark from the pot. This helps eliminate dirt, impurities, and any hidden pathogens in the bark, while ensuring the growing medium is clean and ready for the plant to thrive. Additionally, this step preserves the airy structure of the pine bark, creating an ideal environment for the orchid roots to breathe, absorb nutrients efficiently, and prepare for strong recovery and growth. Next, rinse the pine bark medium with clean water. This completely removes any remaining dirt, dust, and impurities, while keeping the medium airy and clean, creating an ideal environment for the orchid roots to anchor firmly and absorb nutrients more effectively. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Once the plant has soaked long enough in the lime solution, gently lift it out of the liquid. Next, I use a paper towel to dry the entire plant, especially the roots and leaf axils. This helps remove excess moisture, preventing the growth of mold and bacteria. At the same time, it keeps the stem and leaves from staying too wet, reducing the risk of stem or root rot and creating the best conditions for the plant to recover quickly. Next, I apply garden lime powder to the cut areas on the plant. Once applied, the lime disinfects the wounds, preventing fungi and bacteria from entering, while creating a dry protective layer for the roots and stem. This helps reduce the risk of rot and allows the plant to recover more quickly. After that, I hang the plant upside down in a well-ventilated area for one day. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After one day, the cuts on the roots have sealed, reducing the risk of fungal infections and preparing the plant for replanting into fresh medium. Next, I choose a suitable pot that ensures good drainage and provides enough space for the roots to grow. First, line the bottom of the pot with a layer of pine bark. This layer not only helps with drainage to prevent root rot, but also creates an airy environment for the new roots to grow. Next, place the plant into the pot, making sure the roots are spread evenly without bending or clumping, which helps the plant stay stable and easily absorb nutrients from the new medium. Next, add another layer of pine bark on top of the roots. This not only keeps the roots secure, but also improves air circulation, preventing waterlogging and root rot in the future. Use a metal stake to support the plant, inserting it into the medium and gently tying the plant with a soft tie to ensure it stands upright while still allowing the root space to grow naturally. Finally, cover the surface of the pot with a thin layer of moss. This helps retain moisture, protect the new roots from direct sunlight, reduce water evaporation, and create an airy, soft environment that supports healthy root growth and allows the plant to recover quickly after replanting. And that's it. We've successfully repotted the orchid. I water the base of the orchid with clean water. This method not only provides the plant with the necessary moisture, but also keeps the root environment airy and clean, supporting efficient nutrient absorption from the medium. You should apply this once a week during the recovery period, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain stable moisture and promote sustainable growth. Alongside watering, place the plant in a dry spot with gentle light, avoiding strong sun and wind. This helps the plant recover gradually, reduces water loss through the leaves, and creates a stable environment for the roots to absorb nutrients and grow healthily. Results after 2 months. The roots have started producing many new, plump and white tips, a clear sign that the plant is recovering and growing very well. In particular, a new leaf has emerged, showing that the plant is not only recovering, but also entering a strong growth phase. Take care of your orchids with love and dedication, and they will respond with their most vibrant blooms. Enjoy every moment of caring for your plants. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss other orchid care tips and garden tricks. Goodbye, and see you in the next video on Great Garden.